Okay, welcome back to Tamno. And today, before we start that, let's recap previous lesson. Yeah, if you remember the previous lesson, yeah, we just implement how to add the number and how to generate question. Yeah, we generate question using mod random, and we check the answer by using one method called checking answer. Yeah, if we back to our main scenes, yeah, here this one we have generate question, and where we have two variable first number and second number to generate random number start from 1 to 50. So if we notice, yeah, we have operator. The operator is the value of operator is from the this method is called this generate random operator. If we back to generate random operator is consists of some one array, and if you notice, it has several arithmetic operator like subtraction, addition, multiplication, and division. Yeah, if you see we have subtraction and we don't want to have negative number, that's why we check if the first number is less than second number, we just change the position. The second number to become first, the first number become the second. Yeah, if not, yeah, we just want to have regular one like this. Okay, this one we have chicken answer. If this number equal to this question, this number is from the player that input using the button that we have here before. We have this question one. If you are wondering how we get this question one, yeah, the question one is depend on the operator. If it's, for example, it's division, you can see this one, we have index one. The index one value has first number divided by second number, like this, right? And yeah, if the user, if you see in our method chicken answer, we have some valuation using if this number is equal to this comparison operator. Yeah, just remember when you use if function or generic operator, you have to use comparison operator, and we use equals. Double equals mean you want to check whether the value of this one is equal or not with this one. Okay, and if you just or the player just answer correctly, and we just want to spam dialog box, you are correct. And if not, we just found you are incorrect. So this the last week. What shall we do today? Yeah, let's run the game. Wait, still opening. Okay. Yeah, this is the last progress that we had made before. And yeah, we had successfully to generate random number. It has to number and generate a random operator. And if you answer correctly, for example, 10 plus 40x is equal to 50x, and you are correct. If you are not, yeah, for example, at top 9, you are incorrect. So today, we just want to implement about the score. Yeah, the score will be increased whenever the player answer correctly. Okay, and also we have some timer. What if answer a timer? So when the question is already appear or the question is being given, so the player has some duration to answer. If they not answer within that duration, the game will be over. and they lose the game. Okay, and then if we lose the game, I just want to have some transition. Yeah, we move to game over transition as we did before in previous project. If you remember how we implement about transition, yeah, we can simply to check some trigger. Yeah, the trigger is we lose the game whenever we runs out the timer. Okay, we lose the game whenever we run out the timer. Okay. We already know about that trigger. Yeah. Maybe we can implement that later, but before we start to implement the transition, yeah, we just want to add the score. Yeah. The score will be increased whenever the player answer correctly. Okay, now let's go to your Visual Studio Code. Yeah. Go to init method. There's one init method, right? Here. Let's create several properties. Yeah. First, we need for the score. We need the score. Let's go to 0. And this score level undefined or something else. Yeah, just undefined. Okay. So I create two properties. The first property is the score. This score equal to 0. This one properties, we just want to increase whenever the player answer correctly. And the second properties, I create the score, this dot score level, it just for the text, yeah. It just like the text like this, and we just want to be it dynamic. Okay, we can't set it dynamic because it's depend on the circumstances, like the player answer correctly, the score will be increased, and because the score will increase, that's why the score level will be changed or override. Yeah, as we did before. Yeah, if you remember how we override the text in Pasa, you can use dot set text. We can see the example in general number or this one, yeah. This result tag set tags, yeah. This one we just want to override and change. For example, we have 0, right? If I click 2, it becomes 2, and if I click 3, the result text will be 23. Okay, this is one, yeah. Just remember whenever you want to implement about the overriding, what is the mean overriding? The override means you change the value by force, okay? Because we have the trigger, for example, this one is 0, right? Whenever we click, this is one, the trigger, it will be changed to according to what count number that we type. Then, how about score? Yeah, this score, for example, we have 0, and we want to override or re-render this score whenever the player answer correctly. Yeah, this one. That's what we want to do right now. Okay, let's back to init method. This one, the score level undefined. Yeah, this one for the score for score max. Okay, maybe I will wait for 30 seconds to do that. Yeah. Okay, we already set this properties. Yeah, left button. Yeah, that's let's go to button, and we just want to create text, and we just want to display the current score in the game. Okay. We can't simply create a new method. Yeah, build this one, create score, create score level. Case. Yeah. If you remember how we want to create text in parser, if you want to create text in parser, just simply click this method, this dot add dot text. Okay, this add dot, I'm sorry, this dot add dot text. Okay, you want to create text in parser. You can't use this method, this add dot text. Okay, because we already have properties. We can't simply using assign value this dot score level. Okay, and if you asking why you have to assign this score level to this add text, yeah, because we want to override, yeah, the score. If we don't use the score level, yeah, we cannot override by using set text. Okay. Okay, let's back again. The score level is add dot text. Okay, and now this method takes like four parameter. Yeah, the first parameter is number. Second parameter is also number. Second, I mean, the first and the second parameter is just for the, yeah. If you notice, my Visual Studio could just ask me or just give me some recommendation to fill the first parameter, which is for axis. So I just want to display the score level, maybe on the right top. Yeah, I just want to spawn on the right top in here. So we have to understand the basic of coordinate system, how it works. Okay, because we just want to spawn on the top right. So we can set the axis to between like 200 until 300. Do I know the range of the X? Yeah, because we already know in our main.js, you come back to your main.js, because we set the width of this game screen is equal to 420, and the max of this width is 420. Yeah, it starts from zero. Yeah, this is from zero, and this is 420. Because I just want to spawn on the top right. Okay, it's probably in here. Okay, so we can probably give some assumption. Yeah. Oh, I just want to display this label on the top right. Okay, because we want to spawn on top right. Yeah, because x-axis is consists of left and right. Okay, because right is probably the range is 200 until 300 pixel. Yeah, we can use this number actually. So, and now, because I just want to spawn on the top right, okay, this is for the right. Now I just want to spawn on the top. How we want to spawn on the top? Yeah, if we want to spawn something, yeah, maybe it's not only the text here, maybe like sprite sheet, background, or anything else. Yeah, you have to understand the y-axis. Yeah, we can use y-axis. Okay, and probably the y-axis that we want to use is 10 until 30. Why we have to use 10 and 30? Because the y-axis in Parser is I will start from 0 from the top and is n 620 on the bottom. Okay, if so, basically, no, wait, I just want wait. So let's back to main scenes, and the x-axis is probably 250, and the y-axis is about like 20. Yeah. If you put like 200, the y-axis is probably between this one. You pound or you just display the text in the middle one. Yeah. So what do you know about that? Yeah, just remember, yeah, this is quite important about coordinate system in Passer because we use the coordinate system in order to position and make some velocity, or maybe we just want to have some trigger. Yeah. If we don't understand how a coordinate system works in Passer, maybe it will be quite hard for us to develop game in Passer. So let's uh, delete that. We already know 20 to 250, and the second part, the third parameter is the string. You know, the string the score and type this the score. This one is for the styling. If for example you can set the font size will be like 22 pixels, and you can set like fill, for example, like black or blue. For example, I just want to use blue. Done. Okay, before we use this one, we can call this create score level. Yeah, we don't want to display. I mean, we want to display. Yeah, this score level when we press the start button. How we do we that? Okay, we just simply call this method. Yeah, just copy paste in this one. We call this method in gam start, where our game start, right? This one create start button. And if start button is being pressed, what we do? We just want to running this method. This dot create uh I forgot create what create school level uh, like this. And if we click, if you notice on the top right, I have score equal to 0, right? Okay, I will wait for 1 minute to do that. Yeah, if you have any questions, just tell me, or maybe you have some trouble. Oh, guys, I just feel quite sleepy right now. I'm like, sleep. Okay, we're done. So we are to create this one get score. Now what should we do next? Yeah, we just want to change this score whenever the player answer correctly. How we do we that? Okay, as I told you before, whenever we want to change the text in Python, we can use override method. Use the call a set text. Okay, before we change it, yeah, I will give you how it works. Okay, when the player answer correctly, we just increase these properties, this dot score properties plus 1 or 10 is up to you how many score that you want to increase. In this example, you just want to change the score to 1 whenever the player answer correctly. Okay, now let's understand the trigger. Okay, this score is 0, right? It will be increased. In my case, I just want to change by 1. Yeah, plus 1 whenever this player answer correctly. And whenever the player answer correctly, it will be changed, become 1 because we have this one, 0 plus 1, right? Okay. Now, we want to set the trigger. Wait a minute, a trigger is yeah, trigger happening, or we can use we call is even is just like method or something like script that have behavior to change the properties value, okay, or variable value. So the score, let's have some like prototype about how it works. Okay, the score will be increased. I'm sorry, I forgot to bring the pen. Yeah, I'm using mouse. I'm sorry if my handwriting is quite bad. Okay, the score is getting increased when the player answer correctly. You already know, right? The trigger. The score will be increased whenever you answer the question correctly. So, for example, let's answer for this one. Yeah, this one, 42 plus 9 is equal to 52, and you are correct, and there's nothing happened. Why? Why is that nothing? Why the score is not being increased? Because we haven't said that. Okay, let's make it simple because we already know about the trigger. Yeah, the score is getting increased when the player answer correctly. Because we already know we have some method to check, right? Let's back to checking answer, this one. Checking answer, we check the user with the actual answer. If this number equal to mean the answer correct, yeah. So we just spawn this dialog box using order that you are correct. Okay, now we just want to add this dot score plus 1 like this. Okay. If you remember about JavaScript in the first meeting in the general level, we are dealing how it works. For example, the score plus equal sign 1 is equal to the score equal to this score score plus 1. Yeah, it's seen. It just like shorthand. This is one is shorthand. Yeah, instead we did like this. We use shorthand like this. Yeah, this score is same like we did like this. Okay. We increase the score. If you don't believe, let's open the terminal, and I just want to spawn, or not spawn, I just want to print current score here. Okay, I will make a bit bigger. So the score is 0. Yeah, you just focus in depth console. Yeah, it will print the current score whenever I answer correctly. Yeah, oh god, 12 times 21 is equal to uh 240, 242, 200, 261. You are incorrect. Okay, this is one, one. Yeah, if you notice inside this one, we have current score is 1. And if I answer correctly again, is 9. Now, this current score is 2, right? See in my console, 29 times 4, 6, 6, this one, wait, 116. Yeah, you are correct. And it's become 3. Okay, but Mr. What is doesn't change it? Look, we still 0, Mr. We have to display in the game, not in the console. I know. In the console, it is for the for only developer. Yeah, we are always using this console, especially for web developer. Yeah, we just want to check how the program behaves. Yeah, for example, yeah, we just want to check before we start to display to the client or the browser. Yeah, we just want to check in the server. Oh, the current score is 1. Okay, whenever we answer, oh, this current score is getting increased by 1 again. It's become 2. Yeah, is the program is run perfectly, right? And because we already know the program is running as we expected, and the next one, yeah, we have to change or override this code and according to this current score. Yeah. So how we do that? Okay, it's simply let's back to check answer, and I will delete this. I just comment back, and I will add this score level dot set text. Yeah, just remember whenever you want to re-render or you just want to override this text. Yeah, you can using set text. Inside this one, we have to pass string. For example, score. That's back to this dot score. Okay, this 1, 2, and see my score is increased, and 44 plus 39 is equal to 83. Then you as become 2, and 21 divided 1 is equal to 21. Yeah, you were correct. It's getting 3 and it's 2. Now my score is 4 and my score is 5. And this one is 6. And my score is 9, 32. Sorry, 31. Yeah, and now my score is 7. Yeah, we just simply using this one to change. If we don't have this one, yeah, whenever we answer correctly, this is 21, 320, 320, 320 plus 30, 41. They were correct. This one is 4. You're correct. Yeah, it's still 0, right? This one is for 100, 520. Yeah, it's still 0 because we don't change it, right? That's why we have to set this one. 30x divided 30x, and it change it to become 1. To 20, 34 minus 13 is equal to 20, 20, 31, 21, 21. Yeah, this one 47, This one is 5. The area will be increased. This one 16. This one 8. This one 1. This one 47. This one 40. 40 minus 59. 400. 400. 451. Yeah, you were correct. Okay, like that. Okay, now you're going here. You have to create that method. Yeah, I will wait for like 2 minutes and make sure whenever you answer correctly, it will change the score.
Sir, I have a problem, sir.
Okay, just share your screen blank.
Okay. I don't know the problem with this.
Okay, you wait. There's some error. Where's the error with fill rat to the pixel? The scroll level, this that's okay. Uh, which line? Can you scroll down again? Scroll down. Oh, that one. Expected semicolon. Wait. It's too small. Wait. The scroll level, this add text font size.
What, sir?
Uh, Create scroll level. Can you scroll down again, Leon, please? Scroll
Oh,
down. I think another problem. Maybe you just add. Wait. Can you just add more this one below? Yeah.
below.
Yeah, below. Yeah. Okay, delete that one. Scroll up until the first line. Scroll up until the first line of the code. Scroll up. Yeah. Maybe outside the range it will cost like that. Scroll up again. Okay. Okay now. Can you click this one on line three? Line three. Yeah, click that one. If you have drop down, right? Click that drop down. Where's drop down?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
drop down. Yeah. Oh, look, this is outside of the class. Just copy paste. I mean, cut. Yeah, cut. Just cut. Open this
Okay.
one. Open again. Okay, go to bottom. Yeah, just enter. No. Control
Or
Z.
answer.
Control Z. Okay, Control
Oh,
X. Yeah, just enter after the purple one. Look, the purple one. Yeah, the purple one. Yeah, enter
one.
again. 2 times maybe. 2 times. Yeah,
Time.
okay. Control X. Can save it.
Okay. Defines.
That's correct. Score undefined.
Yeah.
Let's back to Visual Studio Code. It must be 0. The score label. Oh, I see. This one only this dot score, not score label anymore. You let that.
Oh
Only
no.
score. Yeah, this dot score. Okay, save it. Yeah, answer. It
Um,
doesn't change because the trigger score level is not defined. Wait, maybe it's type or something. Uh, can you just click this one? Click that one, yeah. This score level set test. Oh, this one, this score line, not score level.
the
This does,
score.
yeah, because we just want to pass that, right? Yeah,
No,
this dot score because this one change this dot score using this because it's probably is not
this. Oh.
variable. Yeah, this dot score. Yeah, save it.
Mm. Yes, it's
Okay,
okay.
again, can you try again? Okay,
Yes,
good luck.
it's okay.
Yeah. Okay, now we already successfully changed the score. Whenever the player answer correctly, and now what's the video? We just want to add the timer. Yeah, the timer will be countdown per second. Okay. What will happen if the player just run out the time and it will trigger game over. Okay. And now let's go to in method as usual. Okay. We can set will add the max the duration to answer the question. So we set this dot timer, this dot timer, and equal to maybe how many seconds that you want to give to the player to answer. Maybe like I give 7. Order this for the timer text. This timer level. Actually, the name is up to you. Can't set anything like you like this because we just want to our videos. Yeah, maybe we don't want to counters. That's why we have to create the name of the properties or the name of variable. Probably the this the timer level. Okay, define and this countdown over countdown the timer per frame or per second. Define the method is reset the this practice to the method of even. Okay, I'll wait for 30 seconds. Okay. Uh, Let me explain again. This timer, we set this properties timer for the user. Yeah, the user have some time or duration to answer. I set to 7. It means 7 seconds. Yeah. And this one for the time level, as we did before, like score text. This countdown is just for the method. Yeah. We can use this countdown to checks the value of the timer, and we also checks maybe when the timer is less than 0, we just want to end this game. Okay, so how we do that? Okay, and now, yeah, as usual, we can simply using new method. Yeah, let's go to bottom, maybe below the school level, and we create let's create timer. So yeah, okay. This is for timer level. This timer level equal to this text. Yeah. So I just want to spawn this timer level on the top left. Yeah, on the top left. How we do that? It's simply you can where's most you can set maybe between 20 or something like I said 20, and this one is 15 for the y-axis because it's top, and it's left just because it's left I set 20, and because it's on top I set 15. And let's add some for the string. We add the string so us forgot. I forgot. This is not score anymore. Time, time equal to this timer. Okay, and we can set for the styling. I will use a background. Background color is blue, for example. You can just adjust this styling according to your preference. Yeah, it's just fine if you want to follow me or not. I just using like the color blue and fill because it's blue. I just want to have contrast color like white color fill white. Okay, and also I just want to set the to make it more bold. So one down. Yeah, there's nothing happened, right? Okay, now after you uh create this one, yeah, what should we do next? Yeah, you have to call. If we click this star, there's nothing happened, right? You see on the top left, it's just like blank. Yeah, we don't have this timer. You have to call this timer. Let's back to create method. This one, this create timer. You see, I have timer 7. Or we can just set in not in create, yeah, maybe in star button. Yeah, so timer 7. Perfect. Oh. Okay, we'll wait for 1 minute to do that. Yeah. Okay, done. Make sure you already spawn that on the top left or whatever you like. I don't like to spawn that in or display that on the top left, mister. I just want to spawn that in the middle of the game. Okay, you can't do that. Yeah, it's just you can adjust your preference like the color, yeah, or the position. Yeah, you can adjust according to you like or according to your preference. Like the score, I just change the score by one, or you want to increase by 10 or 100 or else yeah just adjust it, yeah just up to you. It's your game, as long as it's good and you still follow the how the game is worked, it's just fine. So
So
if, yeah, William,
I have the same problem like before.
you have some problem, same problem, maybe you
Yeah,
just type
but I
or
don't know
something,
how to.
just share screen learn.
It's this again.
I don't know the problem. Yeah. Wait. Leon, I'm sorry, Logan. Logan. You just create this method outside the class. Yeah, just copy paste. I mean, sorry, the cut. Just only cut. Yeah. Look on the curly bracket on the a parable one. Just enter. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Can you just enter again? Yeah, again. Yeah,
on
again.
this,
Next time, if you have any method you can't type
I put it
inside,
over inside this
yeah,
thing.
don't do that outside. It's mean
Oh,
outside the class. This one outside the class. If you just uh creating script outside the class. That's why parser. Oh, this is outside the class. I don't know what is this. That's why it is doesn't know about your script and it will cause an error. Yeah, just fine. Let's
mm.
open that again.
uh,
Uh, did you already call that method? Yeah. Go to game start where you yeah I mean can you scroll up again?
let's go.
Stop that one, yeah, just call that this below or create table text, create table text. Can we just scroll down to bottom? Yeah, just to bottom. No, Leon, you have create timer, you create this create timer, but in game start, let's see again, go back to your
Oh, it's timer connects.
yeah, yeah, because you don't have that, right? You don't have that method. Create timer only without using tags. Just delete the tags. Yeah,
Mm, okay,
just delete
sorry.
the tags. Yeah, just delete the tags. Save it.
I think it's not
Okay, why is still
fine.
on left? Can we just change the position to proper position for that?
Uh,
Yeah, maybe you want to spawn on the top, or maybe yeah, it's up to you. Up to you. It is up to you.
uh, maybe can like
Then
under.
you yeah, okay, good one. Let's see.
Uh, there we
Okay,
go.
nice. Okay, now we already successfully to spawn the time. Now our job is we have to set the countdown. Mm. So let's go to button and let's go to new method. Game over. I will add some comment. Use method to I think it will calm down the time and also check and also check the policy. Then if the time is less than zero, then we can think move the game is over. The game is over. Okay. And this method we just want to use for the countdown, the timer, and we also want to check the condition. Okay? If we already know the countdown timer, we can simply using decrement this timer minus, or we can use like this timer -1. Yeah, it's equal to timer -1, or it decrement like this here. This is equal to this time -1. Or minus, yeah, since okay, now we have to change. The time is run out. If the time runs out, if this timer is less than zero, we just want to alert the game is over. If not, we do nothing. So it will trigger the the dialog box. Okay, done. Yeah. Uh, this game over. Let me give you some explanations. This is game over. Actually, the name of this method is actually up to you. Yeah. Expect this one. In Pasta, you must have a need. You have constructor, constructor. You have to have update. You have to create. You have to preload. Okay, this the method. Yeah, whenever you create a scene class, yeah, this scene. I mean, this one scene class. This one passer scenes is mean we use the scenes here. You must have this one. Init, constructor, update, create, and preload. And this one, game over, create timer, create score level, is just like optional outside this method. Yeah. So when it's come to creating game in browser, yeah, you have to understand this basic method like init, constructor, update, create, and preload. Okay, every time you must have at least init, create, preload, and constructor or update too. That's why this one is just like optional. We create this custom method is just for our script. For example, we have create timer. It means we just want to create a timer. Yeah. Check it answer. We just want to check in answer. It's just like you can't use other language actually. It's up to you. Yeah, like this or something else. Yeah, it's just fine if you want to define like this. Yeah. So, make sure you already understand how we create a method. We have game over, create timer. It's just like for optional. Yeah. Optional means is outside from the main method in the parser. This is what the main method in parser. Yeah. Okay, and let's back to game over. We have game over. Inside this game over, we have several script. Yeah. First one, we have this timer. This timer minus means we want to minus this timer by one. Yeah, like this. And that's one. Yeah, we have some validation to check. Is this timer is less than zero? We just want to spawn this dialog box. The game is over. If not, it just does nothing. That's why I set to zero, right? It does nothing. Yeah, just remember, is we call ternary operator. If you want to use like if, you just simply you can say if this is less than zero, then just want to order the game is over. Actually, it's fine. You can choose one of this if statement. I mean, conditional statement. Okay. Because we already know this one. Let's go to if you see the timer is doesn't change it or count down because we don't have that one, and we have to call this game over inside. Uh, yeah, this game start. Okay, now let's call this countdown equal to this time dot at even. Okay, we just want to configure type this one. Yeah, we just want to cover time and even. Uh, If you remember, we already used this time, and even when we want to use that as callback, why we have to use callback is because we just want running this game score, yeah, every 1 second. Okay, if we're using update, wait before. Okay. Let me comment this one. We're using update. Yeah, there's nothing happened because we haven't called this game over. Look, the game is over. The game is over. It's too fast, right? We can use console.log time. Console.log current time. We takes this timer. I have press Alt twice. Look, it's too fast. Start from zero, sorry, start from 7, becomes 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. It's just not like 1 second because JavaScript is running per frame, it's not per second. That's why we have to set callback or set interval. This function, it will be set or be running every 1 second. That's why in this case, we don't use update method, right? We don't want to like the game is already over because we change the time every frame, not every per second, because it's every frame is maybe it's depend on the game setting how much frame that will running per seconds, for example, like 60 or maybe 50 or maybe 30. And if you see we haven't have like 1 second. It's really over, right? It's really over. We don't be like that. That's why if we set this game over, sorry, if we call this game over inside update method, we cannot do that. Yeah, I just don't want to like the player just click the start button and the game is already over because we just using improper method because update is just update the frame per second. I mean the frame, not the second, frame per second. There is not good for implementing the timer in using update. So we have to grab this one, and that's about to game start. Yeah, and we have this countdown. We're uncoming that even. Okay, like this. We'll wait for 10 seconds to create this one. Okay, this time I even now 10 seconds. It means we count this method every 1 second, every 100 millisecond or 1 second. Okay, now we set delay and we set callback. With function that you want to use that as interval, we use this game over. Okay, because callback you should not use parenthesis, instead it's callback. And callback score, because it's outside we use this loop is this loop? We set this house is different is from different scope, and this one the method that we want to set in the code that in the whole loop. Okay, if you want looping, because we want to run every 1 second, yeah, we have to use loop and it's set to boolean value true. We want to loop every 1 second. Okay. We want to loop this method. Okay, every 1 second we have delay. So let me explain again this practice. Yeah, we just want to add some countdown to the timer. We cannot use timer in update method because it's for frame, not per second. We had some delay is 100 millisecond is equal to 1 second. That's why if you just confuse what the meaning of this 100, sorry, 1000 is equal to 1 second. 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. Next one, we have probably called this callback, which method that you want to set interval. Yeah, because we want to use this game over and we'll be calling over 1 second. Yeah, that's why we set this one, this dot game over. Next one, we have callback scope. Callback scope is which scope that we want to use because this game over was from different method. That's why we use this. And next one, we have properties loop. Okay, we set true and it has boolean value. We set true. Why we have to set true? Because we want to run this properties every time. Yeah, that's why we set true is looping every time the game is running, and it has delay 1 second. Okay. Okay, and we save. And if we see, look, current time 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boom, the game is over. That why the time is not changing on the front end, I mean the browser, because we haven't used the override method. Yeah, just remember whenever you want to rerun the text in parser, you can use override method called set text. Okay, because we just want to change that, we can use update, but it's not for the game over. We just change if the game start, this game start game is true, equal to, we just want to this timer level dot set text and we save timer with this timer, and if not, it's equal to 0 and it just does nothing. And let's see what will happen. Generate set text timer level dot set text. Wait, there's some problem with the time level. Create timer level. This timer level and this one create client. Okay. Okay, set text this timer. Timer to it doesn't want. Maybe we can change to this going over this timer level dot next timer this this dot timer. Yeah, this works now. It's changed by 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Boom, the game is over. Now your job, you have to do that, and I will wait for 10 seconds. If you have any trouble, just tell me. I'm going to help you. Yeah, this time level the set text timer and this timer.
None, sir.
Yeah,
I'm done.
you're okay. Just start your screen land. I want to see that. Start. Okay, good one. What will happen is gas to 0. I just want to see wait until
It's
0.
game over. It's game over.
Okay, good one. Can you just refresh the game again? Refresh the game. Yeah, start. Try to answer. Try to answer.
Uh,
400.
you 120. But the timer
Okay,
doesn't.
now, yeah, with, okay, now we have some issue we have to set. Whenever the player answer correctly, we just want to refresh the timer. How do we do that? It's simply like we can set, we can just redeclare, and let's back to the visual studio code. Now, I will give you some trigger. When the player answer correctly, we just want to refresh the timer. Refresh the timer. Yeah. Then what should we
Yes.
do? Yeah. Then
Um,
we just want to refresh the timer. How?
Nine.
By 10. We just want to refresh the timer by 10. How we do that? How we do that then?
I don't really know.
Yeah, just simply redeclare. Just redeclare this the timer. Yeah, this dot timer equal, yeah, like that, equal to 10. We redeclare to 10. Yeah, when the user answered correctly. Yeah, semicolon, save it, and yeah, save it. Yeah, just yeah, yeah, it's become 10 again. Just wait until 5 or 3. Do not click OK. Yeah,
Let's go back to
okay,
nine.
good one. It's the reverse, right?
Okay. Okay.
Good one. Okay. So we are successfully to implement about the timer. Next one, yeah, this is the last step. when the game is over, we just want to move to another transition of the scenes. Yeah, if you remember in the previous project, we already created a game over scenes. Yeah, because we move to the game over scene. So it's probably is quite simply all you have to do just create a new scenes, and there's some like setting in main.js. Yeah, and yeah, let's back again. Let me share the screen first. So yeah, if you notice, we still have the game is over. We want to be like that, and we just want to move to the other scenes like game over. Okay, which game over? This one here, and that's why it's just pop up the dialogue says the game is over. Now I don't want to be like that. Okay, and let's create a new file inside the scenes. Yeah, called game over game over.js. Okay, like this. Uh, waiting here. I just want to go to toilet. I'm back. So we want to create a new scene called game over. We use this scenes whenever the player just loads the game. Yeah, we just want to have that on inside this game over. We want to add some button to replay the game. And also, we just want to show the last score of the player in the game over. So basically, it's quite same last like we did in the previous project. Is like I forgot the name project that we had before. Uh, a safe attack. Yeah, yeah, the safe attack. Yeah, it's quite seems. Yeah. Just remember, whenever you want to use the parser and you create a new class, new scenes, yeah, you have to import. input, parser, compressor. Okay, now let's create class. And before we use class, we have to export again. Uh, export default class. Game over existence. Parser dot since. Okay, and we have constructor. And this one, the name, game over. Game, game over. Game over scene. Okay. We use this game over scene for the main scenes here. That's why you have to make sure you type properly because we're going to use this one. Okay. Next one, we have init and we pass uh, one parameter data here. The data is for this replay button equal to 0 and define, and this score, last score equal to data dot score. Okay, we'll wait for 30 seconds to do that. Okay, we already set for init data, and next one we want to add the background and some button, right? Let's see, and our current image, we have replay, we have game over here, and we have the background. Okay, we just want to load that because it's only three. We don't need to use an array. Reload. Okay, this load dot limits. Image slash this one for a background is regular one. If you're asking me why, Mr. We have to load again because it's different scenes. Layer one, then we have game over, game over. We have replay button there. Replay is one, play dot freezing. Okay, and now if we are reload, as usual, we have to create. Let's start from the background. This add events equal to this scale dot with this scale dot case and one bg. Okay, so maybe I should wait for you. Yeah, wait for 1 minute.
I'm done, sir.
You done? Okay.
Yeah.
If you're done, let's wait. Let's back to main.scenes. Back to this timer, right? In game over, we delete this order. We didn't want to use this anymore. And we can simply this scenes dot start game game over scenes. And we pass one properties for the last score is score this score. Okay, the score and this score. Okay, wait before we continue. I just want to change this timer. I haven't changed this timer to reset when the player is on to reset this timer. Let's see here. Okay. for this score. Concept last score. Yeah, we set last score right in the game over. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, reading the discussion is going to a lot long again. If we don't, we can set back to main.js, and we have to import game over from game over like this to your main.js. If you're done, let's import game over from since then game over. So basically, if you already import this game over, you can't simply add in since array properties game over. Perfect. And let's see what will happen. And we'll wait until it's run up, and it will be moved to, yeah, it's a background light. Why is only background, Mister? Because if you see in game over, we just only add the background. Okay, now I just wait for you to check working or not your script. Your script, if running out, you must be go to this background because we changed to the game over since. Okay, done. If you're done, let's add more.
Problem. I have a problem, sir.
Your troll.
Yeah.
Okay, sounds good.
This one.
Oh, semicolon. Can you type semicolon? I mean, colon, not semicolon. It be beside last score. Wait, yeah. No, no,
Yeah.
no. I mean in here.
Here.
Yeah, yeah. Colon, not comma. Colon, like divide. It's semicolon colon.
Right.
Yeah, that one is zero. We just did nothing. If yeah, okay, save it. Yeah, game over. You have to import first, Leon.
Okay.
Back to your main.js.
Okay.
Yeah, main.js below in the, yeah, just enter. Let's create a new line, import game over. Yeah, just I just click that, okay, save it. Don't forget to save it and get back to game over, save it again. Yeah, and run the game. Let's see what will happen. You just wait until it's running out.
Uh,
Uh, what happened? Inspect element.
it's
Inspect element.
freezing.
F plus. I don't know in microspace. That score is not defined. Click that one main since. Yeah.
It's not.
Ah. Yeah. Okay. Let's back to the Visual Studio Code. Go to
This
main
one.
scenes. Yeah. The last score. Yeah. I mean column again. Beside. After the last score, where's the last score? This one. Yeah. After the last score.
This one.
Add column again. Yeah. And type this score. This dot score. Okay, wait. Let me check again. Yeah, correct.
Uh, uh,
Okay, just wait until it's running out. Let's see what will happen.
okay.
Okay, we're
Yep.
back. It's worked now.